Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today I will guide you on Magnavox Smart TV service menu. Make sure your Magnavox Smart TV is powered on and working normally. Use only the original Magnavox Smart TV infrared remote. Always take photos of the original settings on your Magnavox Smart TV before making changes. Wrong adjustments on your Magnavox Smart TV may cause display or software issues. Now, let us start with the service menu access methods for Magnavox Smart TV. Method 1. Most effective Magnavox Smart TV service menu code. This is the most widely working service menu method for Magnavox Smart TV. Keep your Magnavox Smart TV powered on. Press the menu button on the Magnavox Smart TV remote. Then press 0, 0, 0, 0 in sequence on your Magnavox Smart TV remote. The Magnavox Smart TV service menu will appear on the screen. If Method 1 does not work on your Magnavox Smart TV, do not worry. Now try the next method for Magnavox Smart TV. Method 2. Alternative service menu code for Magnavox Smart TV. Keep your Magnavox Smart TV powered on. Press the menu button on the Magnavox Smart TV remote. Then press 1, 9, 9, 9 in sequence on your Magnavox Smart TV remote. On some Magnavox Smart TV models, this opens the service or factory menu. Method 3. Factory menu using input code for Magnavox Smart TV. Keep your Magnavox Smart TV powered on. Press the Input or Source button on the Magnavox Smart TV remote. Then, press 2, 5, 8, 0 in sequence on your Magnavox Smart TV remote. This method works on some older and mid-range Magnavox Smart TV models. Once you enter the service menu on your Magnavox Smart TV, you will see Advanced Options. From this menu on your Magnavox Smart TV, you can check panel information and panel type. You can view software version and factory data on your Magnavox Smart TV. You can access white balance and calibration options on your Magnavox Smart TV. You can enable or disable store or demo mode on your Magnavox Smart TV. You can also check error logs and usage hours on your Magnavox Smart TV. Do not change calibration values on your Magnavox Smart TV unless you are a trained technician. How to exit the Magnavox Smart TV service menu safely. Press the power button once on the Magnavox Smart TV remote. Let the Magnavox Smart TV shut down completely. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn the Magnavox Smart TV on normally. This ensures the Magnavox Smart TV boots without software or display issues. If this video helped you fix your Magnavox Smart TV problem, please give this video a like. Share this video with your friends who may need Magnavox Smart TV repair help. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real and practical Magnavox Smart TV solutions. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video about Magnavox Smart TV.